Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to unlock your Windows PC when you forgot the password. Just go to another accessible Windows computer and visit Cocosenor official website. Find Windows Password Tuner and download it. After installation, launch the software. Click on the USB device option. Insert a USB drive. Select the USB drive, click on Begin Burning option. Hit on Yes button to format the USB drive. OK. The password reset disk is created successfully. Close the program, eject the USB drive. Then plug it into the locked Windows computer. You can check the boot menu key here. Start the locked computer from the USB. Select the Windows OS. Select your user account. Click on Reset Password. Click Yes to reset the password to blank. OK, click on Reboot, eject the USB drive, and hit on Yes. Alright, the computer restarts with no require on password. That's all. Thanks for watching.